Okay, so have you heard about reduce in JavaScript?
Reduce.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes. So reduce is nothing but consider we have an object. If we want some result from the properties of an object or array, whatever it is. So in that case, we can use reduce function. So for example, if we have an array of objects, in each objects we have something called the salary. So if we need the total of the salaries, we can use reduce method. So initially we have an default value and then accumulator. So accumulator will just keep on adding the things to the default value and returns the whole value, which is a single value.
Okay. Okay, correct. So yeah. So do you know difference between call, apply, and bind?
Okay. Call and
Call, apply,
if
and
we
bind.
want, if we want some functions which is defined in an object to be used in another object. In that case, we use both all of these functions, call, apply, and bind. But the major difference is in call, we are just passing the parameters as a whole. Like whatever we want to be passed as a parameter, we are just passing it. In apply, we are just passing it as a single array. Inside the array, we can have everything. In bind, we are I think in mind we are just returning it instead of invoking it.
Okay. So basically what happens with the bind, it will give you the reference of that function. Okay. So it will hold the reference of it. And whenever you want that, you can call afterwards. So, but the difference
Yes,
in call and apply is it get executed as soon as we declare it or use it.
correct. Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So what is the use of spread operator and rest operator? Hello.
So in spread operator,
Hmm.
if consider we have an array
Mm-hmm.
of consider we have an array of objects. So if we want to make some changes to it, if we want to overwrite it, we are just overwriting everything as a whole. Everything will get disappeared and our new value will go and sit there. To avoid doing that, so initially we are spreading it with triple dots. So
Okay.
we initially we are spreading it, and then after a comma, we are just giving the reference of whatever the properties we are going to mutate. So we can mutate it without affecting the other values. That is the use of spread operator.
Okay.
Not only mutate, like if consider we have an array, we can just clone it by using spread operator. We are just spreading all the elements which is present in the array.
The first
Rest
question,
operator is not.
just a minute.
Sorry.
The first question I asked you that at that time to add at the beginning and at the end. So you can use spread operator on that time as well. So yeah, we don't need to write as a shift and push as well. You can do that too directly.
Correct. Yeah. Just 6 comma spreading the array, and then finally we can add one number. Yeah. Correct.
Correct. Okay, go ahead.
And the rest operator is nothing but if consider we are passing some arguments, we need not specify all the arguments in the function declaration in the parameters area. So we can just do some of the things and then we can use the rest operator in order to have an array of arguments which are being passed during the invocation.
Okay. So is rest operator behave as a arguments in the normal, like normal? Each rest operator behaves as a normal function. Normal arguments.
Yeah, we have all the arguments as an array. We can restructure the array. We can make use of it.
Yeah. Okay. So have you heard about event delegation?
Yes, actually, event. I heard about event delegation, but I'm not sure whether my answer is correct or not.
Okay.
I'll try.
Mm-hmm.
Consider we have an event, which is maybe mouse click. So we need not declare event for each of the elements. Instead, we can just declare it as a whole to the parent, and that will take care of all the elements. If we click on the parent, then the things assigned to the parent will get triggered, and if we click on the child, then the particular child will get triggered.
Okay. And
Is
have you
my
got?
answer correct?
Yeah. So basically, what happens? Suppose you have one unordered list. Okay, and inside that you have
Yeah,
multiple elements. Okay, li tags. So you are
yeah.
writing some click functionality on each li. So
Hmm.
basically, instead of putting on each li, we put on the parent, that is UL.
Correct.
And with the help of
Yes.
target object, target event, we can get the reference of that li. So instead of doing each one, so we do only for single.
Yes. Yes. Yeah.
Can you
Yes.
open the chat window? I'm taking some small code for you to try. Did you get it? Spelling is output, not on. Okay, so
Okay.
basically, yeah, you can remove that double comma. So basically, what I want, we have an array 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6. You can remove that one comma. Okay, so one occurrence is one time, two occurrences two time, not one time. You can change to one. Three came one time, four came two times. So in that way, I want output. So yeah, you can try that.
Okay.
You can remove that. I have created that. You can remove, or if you want to make it for reference, you can leave it.
Yeah. Yeah. I just need
Yeah, yeah.
for
Then remove it.
purpose.
So first tell me what will be your approach, then you can start.
You want me to console it, right?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Mm, but we have to create an object, not like that. If you see that output object, you will see that.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
in that way we need actually. That's why I asked you what is your first approach. Tell me, and then you can start.
Oh,
Basically, I can give you hint as well. if you want.
Sorry.
I can give hint as well if you want to.
You can give me what? I
I'm saying
able
hint
to
if you want hint.
hint. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Let me just try
Yeah.
it if I
Okay.
am not able.
So 8 minutes because I have not taken this much big interview for anyone, but your answer is interesting.
Oh,
That's why I'm asking you indeed.
okay.
Okay. So basically, let me give the hint. Okay. So what you have to do first, you're creating
Hmm.
object. Okay. The let object O. Okay. As
Yeah.
output.
Yeah.
So we have to check the index of it. So index means you can scroll on. So now one is coming. Okay. So element E in will get one. Okay. So you
Yeah.
will assign one to it. Okay. The value.
Yes.
Okay. In that way we have to do. If that output of two comes two times, then you will increment it like that. You can do.
Oh, so 1 2 1 2 1 1. Okay.
Did
Okay.
you get it now?
Uh, yeah. Can you just repeat it? I thought 1 2 1 2 1
No,
2.
no, no,
Yeah,
not,
it's
not,
going
not
to
like
add.
that. See. One came in that array one
Yeah.
time, two came, two is one time only. That remove that two.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Got
Okay.
it?
Okay.
The
Yeah. Yeah.
occurrences we need
Okay.
to find occurrences.
Occurrences. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. You have to check now that co object having that element or not. If you can.
Sorry.
Okay, so you created, you can write down that O to output first. So it will be easy to pronounce output. O 11 line number.
Output.
So because of that, it is getting confused. Okay. So now what you can do, you have output object, which is blank. Okay. And you have element.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Yes.
now you can check output of element. Do we have in object? If no, then assign one. If it is present, then increment that. That's it. Only if else condition is there remaining.
Okay. It's output.
We can assign
Uh,
output of E equal to output of E equal to.
are you saying this?
Okay, we have to plus plus now because we are getting that value now. You
Okay,
can try
but
it.
E.
You can do one thing only. You can just increment that too. It will work. Sorry.
This one.
So basically what we have to do, if it is present, then we have to increment. That's it. If it is not present, then assign to one. That's it we have to do.
Okay, so in the inside us we have it.
Yes.
If we have it inside, if it will come inside us.
Yeah. We'll increment it. That's it.
Yeah. Yeah. That's it.
No, no, no. Okay, so but you are incrementing only that one. Let me see you in the chat. You will see that. Can you open this one? Okay, you can
Yeah.
see now code,
So
what you are doing.
okay, this is the item.
Got it now?
Object of item equal to. Okay. Okay.
Okay, got it. So this one was the solution. Okay. So we are
Okay.
using
What if
here.
we have?
Hmm,
Uh, yeah. Okay. What if we have 3 or 4 occurrences? Are we not dealing with
it
that?
scroll down that.
Yeah.
Okay. So what will happen? It will check that object of 3. Okay. If it is present
Okay.
inside that, it will assigning that value. Object of 3 equal to that value 2 plus 1, 3, like that. If it is not present, then 1.
Okay. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. I got it. I got it.
Got it?
Yes, yes.
So we have
Yeah,
to create
yes.
this item because we are using for loop. So with the help of for each,
Yes.
we have already eliminated. So we don't need
Already.
that.
Yeah.
You can copy this solution.
Yeah,
It will make required.
yeah.
Okay.